I want to know why you just shouted at me down the microphone.
What did I fucking shout at you down the mic for? Playing your fucking mouth, mate. I'm a grown man. You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Smethwick, Birmingham. If you want the fucking brawl, come down, Smethwick, ask for Danny G. I'll come out of my house and I'll break your fucking legs, you little prick. Now what do I say? Now what do I fucking say?
Oi, stop shouting. Who do you think you are?
Shouting! Shouting! I'll rip your fucking voice box out your throat, son. Come to Birmingham and I'll fuck you up. Come to Birmingham now and I'll fuck you up. I've told you where I live. You want to know where I live? I live in fucking Smethwick. Now come and I'll kill you.
You won't kill me.
I what? I fucking what?
Excuse me, you won't kill me because I'm a gangster.
Look, shut up, you dickhead, now. Fuck off. Don't send me another message. Fuck off, you little prick.
Oh,
you little bratty man.
Are you running
Fuck
away
off.
because you're scared?